Hi everyone, so today I am going to be showing you our OMG product. This is the best product you will use for volume. We are well and truly addicted and it's the best seller. So it is a dry powder volumizing spray. So it's kind of a mixture between a dry shampoo and a volumizing powder. So although it looks like a hairspray, it's not a hairspray. So you don't apply it like a hairspray. I don't want to see anybody putting the finger on and keeping your finger on it like this. What you want to be doing is short, sharp spurts, little like this through your hair, because what this does is it puts little particles between each strand of your hair and it sort of forms like building blocks. So it really makes your hair expand and it keeps that volume in all day long. So as you sort of just push it, it just keeps it alive. You will see the difference, what I mean now. And because it is a mixture of the dry shampoo with the vacuum and volumizing type powder, it stops your hair from going oily. So for anybody who has fine hair, who doesn't really like to put things in it because they think, oh no, it makes my hair greasy, this is the total opposite. It keeps your style absolutely amazing, stops it going oily, and as I say, puts those particles between each strand and creates that swell that you really need. So you're ready to watch the magic happen? So we've just got wondered hair right now. So I'm going to pick the hair up and I'm going to shot some in, holding about 30 centimetres away, give it a shake. In at my roots, like this. And then I'm going to go through my ends. So I'm lifting my hair up, and you want to do little shots through your hair as you're dropping it. Little shots, yeah. Mamma mia! Oh, don't you just love the volume? Hope you enjoy it.